see that at the mosque doors, we seem like they're only for the Muslims or they're only for the Pakistani community. No, the mosque and Islam is a wide religion. The mosque's doors are open 24/7 for anyone that wants to
As an Interfaith Council, I reassure Haroon and the community wide, we are there to support you. But we support you with the big boss behind us, and that is Telford Council.
As-Siraj in its most simple form means a lamp or a light with the people around us and the community. Our goal is to grow our organisation in the UK and overseas by delivering lectures and benefit the public.
This community has exactly the same chance as everyone else. So I can offer you an absolute commitment from my behalf as a local councillor, but also from the council that we are absolutely...
Allahu Akbar, Hayya ala salat, Allahu liman hamidah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
You lift me up high, you spread my wings and fly me to the sky. I feel so alive, it's like my soul